In mechanical systems, what is the core component that ensures the smooth transmission system operation? That is, Oldham coupling. Clamp type and set screw type. Allows high parallel and angular misalignments. High torsional stiffness and response. Zero backlash, easy installation. Simple configuration enables ease of assembly, electrical insulation. From harsh operating conditions to advanced technological applications, Oldham couplings deliver versatile applications and reliable performance. Serves as robust core components for critical power transmission.